Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty GPU driver version error. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings and then check for updates, and after that make sure to install the latest updates that you can find, and then go back, go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates and make sure to install the latest update that you can find here, and that's it. After that go to graphics settings and then click make enable this option. After that restart your PC, and after starting your PC come back here to graphics settings, go to browse, and now let's take Valorant as an example. Now you will need to find the Call of Duty Warzone to file location, and then just click on it and add that, and when and after that go here, you will find it and click options, and then you will find that let Windows decide, and then select high performance, click save and go back, try again. If that doesn't fix it, select power saving and save it and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.